This 1973 K5 Blazers fiberglass top is fucked up with scratches, cracks, and even a freaking hole in it. I'm gonna show you how we fixed it in 5 steps. After taking a look at many of the spots, the bed liner was just cracked, but other spots were full-on cracks that we were going to have to repair. And this corner was just completely gone. Now this thing has some cracks from just being old, but some of these cracks are there because the fiberglass top is not actually all one piece. The bottom half of the top is actually riveted onto the top half of the part, making it 2 parts. We will be using the fiberglass filler to fill the cracks and the rivet holes where those spots are to make it just look cleaner and nicer. People often reinforce the fiberglass top with metal sheets on the back, so that way it just looks better and so it's stronger in the longevity. But since the top is not used very often, we decided we were not going to do that. We start with step 1, using a wire wheel and a grinder to file down the cracks so we can make them bigger and deeper. Then we went back through on the cracks using a Dremel, so that way the fiberglass filler can get in the cracks more and fill it completely and not leave any pockets. This front corner was so weak that by the end of Joe's dremeling, there was a freaking hole left in it that we're gonna have to use fiberglass repair to fix. Wait till the end to see what happens. It might have been for nothing. Step 2, sanding. He then sanded the whole top for 3 main reasons. 1, so we can see any dents or bumps in the top and we can fill them and fix them properly. 2, to prep the cracks and the surrounding areas for the fiberglass and bondo to go on top of them. And 3, we wanted to sand down the whole top so that way the bed liner can lay on smooth and bond to the fiberglass top properly. For this area, Joe used 120 to get the first cut and then 220 to smooth it all out so that way it's not rough cut. It's definitely got a bit of a hole going on. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but like, see. So we'll have to fix that for sure. Step 3, fiberglass and bondo. Once he finished sanding, we cleaned up the top and got it ready for us to put the fiberglass and bondo on top. Joe used a bit of tape on that front lip where the hole was to fill the bottom of it so that way the fiberglass has something to lay on top of. Since there was a fat ass hole there, you can't just lay it on top, it'll kind of just fall through it. We then added some tape around the windows and window seals so we can protect them from the bondo and fiberglass just in case any of it spilled. Since the fiberglass can was brand new, Joe had to stir it up really good, and I gotta say, this shit is gross looking and does not smell great at all.
There's more. That'll be good for now. I don't want to get too greedy.
Just about. Once Joe had the fiberglass repair mixed with the hardener, it was time to put it on top. We had to make 2 batches of fiberglass repair to cover all of the holes and cracks in the top completely.
Tacky, it's not perfectly smooth.
No, it's sticky.
Oh.
So it's causing problems trying to spread it.
Once the fiberglass had hardened, Joe started with a DA to just take off the top layer to get it nice and smooth. He also used a smaller 3-inch DA to get in some of those smaller crevices and cracks to make it a little bit easier. He then went in with his hands too to just get the exact right shape that we wanted for it.
Not too bad. It's not a bad start. Yeah, it's pretty solid.
To strengthen the fiberglass and smooth out the transition from the fiberglass repair to the fiberglass top, Joe decided to add some bondo over it to create a very smooth and very nice surface for the to lay on top of. Also, adding the bondo can find any low spots and make them completely even.
Very smooth. And gray.
Well, fucking them, huh? Hey, look, you almost got all of it. Once the bondo had hardened, Joe went over it with a DA, getting it completely smooth and ready to go. He then got some pinhole filler just to fill in some of those smaller air pockets. It wasn't really needed, but it was kind of a nice touch.
Downside. Because this one's electric? Yeah, so because it stays on, it doesn't trigger. Right. You gotta like this, because it catches an edge and throw it out of your hands. And you're like, oh, fuck. That's why I was like, definitely for the future, we'll get an air one. That, we don't need electricity to use it. Well these are a little smoother too. Really? Yeah, I find that they're like hella smooth. Like, I usually do this and then fine tune by hand. Makes sense. That way I'm not using block all fucking day long. Like, oh my god.
Now that he's repaired all the holes and cracks, filled them, and completely smoothed them out, he cleaned off the top and it's ready for step 4, prepping for paint. First, we added a big ass tarp onto the ground of the shop. That way we don't get any of the bed liner on the ground and preventing this. We then cleaned off the top using acetone and rads. Then Joe started taping around the window seals, adding a 1/4 inch thick tape just to create a nice little edge, so that way we can add our plastic bags over that to completely cover the windows and protect them from the bed liner. These mini bags that he got are absolutely awesome. They're so much easier than trying to use a full-size car bag. I would highly recommend you guys get some of these. They are super nice. I'll leave a link of them down below. Joe then added those same plastic bags around the whole edges of the entire top just to protect the bottom a little bit and prevent the underside of the windows also from getting bed liner on them, because anything's possible with paint. For the bed liner, we used some Rocket XC Extreme Coating Kit. So huge shout out to them.
Alright, really debating on if I should use the gun or the other gun.
Oh, use your gun versus the gun they gave
Well,
you.
yeah, because I think my gun will actually fine out so you can do this. This is with that gun.
Okay.
You can get it down like that. And I think that's what's on the bumper. I was kind of looking for something a little more like this.
Right.
But I don't have a 1/8 tip, I got a 2.5. That's down here. It should be too low.
Right.
Unless I do my base coat with this.
And then do another.
And then go over the top of it with that gun. Just
I mean, if you have enough time to do that.
Well, because I can use one can and give it all base so it's all based out. Well, maybe 2 cans. And then go over it again to give it a little more chunkiness to it, to give it that look.
Well, we could always do like this to start with, and then look at it, see how it looks, and if that's too fine, then we can add another one, and if it's not fine enough, then...
Yeah.
The first thing we had to do with the bed liner was mix the 8 fluid ounces of activator into the actual bed liner itself, and Joe decided to just dump that all into the actual bottle that it came in, and then he transferred that into his gun. For this top, we're using a 2.2 tip, which technically isn't exactly what we want for texture-wise. That's why we're going to do a total of 2 coats. The first coat being a normal coat, completely covering the top very evenly, and the second coat's going to be a drop coat, where you pull the gun back and shoot from a further distance, allowing the paint to basically fall on top of the top. By doing this, it can allow the paint to be much more even, and the bed liner, as I should say, being much more even and much more spread out.
I think it looks great texture-wise. I think that's exactly what he wanted.
Yeah. All right, we gotta give that like 20, 30 minutes.
After we finished both coats, the top was looking magnificent. We're gonna let it dry for like 45 minutes and I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys saw it. It looks absolutely amazing. It came out great. It looks great. And compared to how it used to look when it first came in versus now, it is so much better. I love that new paint look just in general. It always looks great. And I can't wait to put it back on the truck and just make the whole truck look new too. Huge shout out to Hunter for letting me make this video. This is actually his truck, so if you guys want to check out his Instagram, I'll have it linked in the description below. And it cracked. The reason why it cracked though is the way we had it set up while we were painting it. All of the weight was pointed in the middle of the top, causing it to bow inwards. So when we put it on the top of the truck, it bowed outwards and cracked right on the pillar. So it kind of felt like it was all for nothing, but still looks great. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. And let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this video was. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Yay, I did it. I completed that. Oh shit, that's still on.